Hello, Spartans, and welcome to Open House. I'm so excited to be back with you. I'm looking forward to a great year. Let's get going with this first ever virtual open house. If I am on your schedule, that means that I am either scheduled to be your English 9 teacher, your ESL English 9 teacher, or your drama teacher. For English 9, we're going to be doing some reading, some writing, some grammar studies, looking at vocabulary, informational text, and of course, speaking and listening. For as far as materials go, if you could please bring your own device, that would be really helpful. This will be at least until our Chromebooks come in, and then we will reevaluate that. It is also helpful for students to have a 1.5-inch 3-ring binder. It can, of course, be larger, but smaller usually doesn't work too well. If you can do a set of 5 dividers, that also helps to keep us organized. And some college ruled filler paper, but if you want to get wide ruled, that's okay too. I'm not too picky about that. This year, due to the fact that we have we're going to have a tough time sharing. If you could bring some blue and black ink pens and a red ink pen, that would be helpful. Whatever kind of pencil you prefer to write with, and some highlighters. And then, of course, if you could bring something to read with you every day. These are our codes for Google Classroom, and it is important that you sign up under the correct hour. So if you could please make sure, and if you could do that prior to the beginning of class, that would be fabulous. If not, when you bring your own device, then we will certainly get that taken care of. And I've also included our remind code at the bottom so that we can communicate as necessary. If for ESL English 9, we'll be pretty much doing the same thing. We'll be doing some reading, some writing, some grammar, some vocab studies, some looking at informational text, and of course, some speaking and listening. For ESL English 9 materials, if you have your own device, I am encouraging you to bring that at least until our Chromebooks get in. Also helpful is a 1.5-inch 3-ring binder, a set of 5 dividers, some college ruled filler paper, but if you can't find any and all you have is wide ruled, that's okay too. Some blue, black, and red ink pens, pencils, and highlighters, and of course something to read every day. Our ESL English 9 code, or Google Classroom code, is listed for you. And then I also have our remind code listed for you, and you can feel free to join prior to the start of school. If you are signed up for drama class, you can expect that we will be doing some theater activities as well as our main unit, which has to do with our play production. Again, if you can bring your own device, that would be really helpful. A spiral notebook or two, preferably if it's college ruled. If it has a pocket or two, that's great for any loose papers that you accumulate along the way. And then I would also encourage you to bring a 1-inch 3-ring binder for your scripts. Oftentimes people will bring like the Duotang folders and find that those don't really work very well. So if you could try to bring a 3-ring binder, that would be really helpful. And then, of course, your own pens, pencils, and highlighters. Our code for our drama class for Google Classroom is listed, as well as our remind code. So if you want to sign up for those ahead of time, you are more than welcome to do so. A couple of tips for success include making sure that you participate in class, that you check your school email every single day, that you advocate for yourself and ask questions, make sure that you know what's going on, make sure that you understand what's supposed to be happening, and be prepared. That's really key. My contact info, if you would like to get in touch with me, I have listed my email address as well as my direct phone number, so you can feel free to do that. So again, I am looking really forward to seeing everybody. I hope that on August the 31st, we will get started smoothly and we'll be ready to have a great year. Please don't worry. Please make sure that you know that we're in this together. We're all going to be just fine. And don't forget, you have to have your mask. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.